understand. Say you don't expect. Anas in Crawford. Somebody can say, oh, there are these doors around the case. I was say, yes, I come back. And neither do you expect Honorable Kenya Kupeko Agyapong Crawford. Somebody can say, oh, maybe I want Anas during the verdict, it is a defamation case. So Anas, but you expect Gossip 24 say, yeah, the unbiased reports, but documents, here 260 pages. 260 pages. But still, I have to deliver because my promise is say 7 more. I will deliver. I Gossip 24. Message also be me subscribe button so. Now I click about notification icon so. Now first of all, your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, maybe gossip24.com and gossip24 TV. Now feel free so submit your comment section mo. Now I share video so I'm a force make a for mother Austrian agency and I dem ma catch so your events be either corporate and as a traditional event be out here ushers was say be a mother Austrian agency and I make me account for them. Contact your normal events and I say enye kama what is on be coordinate me be amana jeje edi ama but you go straight to Honorable Kennedy Akompreku Agyapong and after so Anas Aremia Anas case no emo. So this whole case no start here on my Ghana mu and it's a case he shall say Accra High Court just a judge or tina case no and the ruling by I say Anas the kind of journalism no sabe yeah, the need to obia or the to pay ashen home, Mukoko Jina, baby say nipam what I say, Sana or Deb Anas beton Anas there. Case or thereby against Honorable Kenya Kupeko Agyapong, so Honorable Kenya Agyapong, Defamation. On this missing case, no. I'm at some dismiss case even. Anas asked the assembly a dying a Supreme Court. Anas the assembly could die Supreme Court. Next, a judge for a number assembly no. Ruling a Babon tenor, a 3 against 2. I could see a Anas added so Omokwashe. Anas name motion now or file Supreme Court no, and that is a Mujina, a High Court ruling. It say High Court ruling no, a dimu into Anas, and Fanasem, and call and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And it that Fred, Anas is your munina, New Jersey no, and yet this particular video.
I don't want me a church, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Ewaha. Anas Aremianas in Seminole, Ibitie, Honorable. I know what to say.
Oh, young
you. Now, Anas Aremianas, a young TSA, Supreme Court rule as I'm saying, I was even.
Oh, me, I mean, different about the whole thing. Say, High Court rule, and one thing was in what they call Supreme Court. Say, almost squash near judge, the ruling, In the end, the Supreme Court and so I remember say no. The evidence on what patches say judge not describing as a criminal or saying into almost question about the evidence before the judge. And idioma obi was Supreme Court crown so who evidence no on to me and co squashy at the end in what you say because Judge general ruling, the description of the man is based on the evidence that I gave. Empirical evidence with videos. Our Shehuni, no say, Cratchy, Nejima, and Sunny.
But a man has some air coso, my Ghana muno. Not as a Anas Edane, acquire Essex County, Superior Court, New Jersey. Aqua file a new lawsuit against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong for interviewer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and Rano Moody Asema, and war Supreme Court. No, what I say, and they that deferred in September 2021. It's Anas a file it suit with our Essex County Superior Court, New Jersey, Honorable in May 2022. And Anas, and the case hopefully. Eko die in New Jersey for. No baby say na Ghana for bienu de. Eye dey na asem ayaka ewo man Ghana mu. Na afei di Anas e di asemi eko USA. Eba ne say na USA court etubitena asem akoso between two Ghanaians so. Hwe ha say Anas Armeya Anas e ka che court ne say ono Anas no ye Ghana ni. O investigative journalist wama my friends lectures ewo ye Oxford, ne Harvard, ne London School of Economics any ade. Aside from that no UN General Secretaries inviting what I say President Barack Obama we now will share more any idea why documentaries on a year human trafficking. Just say US for a awarding no for a yes a particular documentary now or yeah no in the year 2010. Aside from that no so Worcester so no omama no a year awards e wo honomo Massachusetts so wakakwaji award e wo honomo Ohio so wakakwaji award ho nepo diema ometumi edi na asemama no e wo US honomo ene say New Jersey ho na nkasa no nebusua wo ho ne nafo ho e na nkrofo mo gi ni ndwumadi ewo eye New Jersey honomo nti aside from so waje awards na oba USA hono tai owo ebusia wo New Jersey honom na asem we ha na ebusia nti omo nka bi ma no enya no kwa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no de bebe gina court ewo eye New Jersey honomo no de enti opese omo ka asem no New Jersey won say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no also a businessman and as say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a self-acclaimed rich businessman. Just na first no Kennedy Agyapong no permanent residency holder US and son of Babe pre kunya wa Ghana nti no ontumi nya dual residency nti no o cancel back. What does it? Now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no o say wo businesses US honom dey fa so be no empo or property ye US honom West Orange Essex County she New Jersey ase. It is so mo kan asem ni bia ye that the Fred Neso Honorable Kennedy Agyapong in year interview in September 2021. Also free, also to USA ho, only the Maryland. It is on no crown, so what US want to say, I can't send no US or bet me about into no say. I feel so say interview now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Neither that Fred yeah no. Now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong at in fear West Orange, Essex County ho, and the New Jersey no. And I know yes I interview with that Fred no. Into some Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kind no. Okano New Jersey honomo no announce the so it be New Jersey and the bush for New Jersey in some kind the bush for say how mo na some no crown on chassis say or chassis say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong we who or no announce no sure because Ahmed Swale Honorable Kennedy Agyapong started say or the Ahmed Swale pictures to social media so any traditional media so near there no Honorable Kennedy Agyapong kan say o track Ahmed Swale cars ni ade onima Ahmed Swale fie tire baby Ahmed Swale tin ade anche e no mo bo Ahmed Swale to miensa mienu e wo ne chest e na baako e wo ne kon bo ne to miensa after so Honorable Kennedy Agyapong e release Ahmed Swale ne pictures e kan sem fa Ahmed Swale na obudi Ahmed Swale say wu no on the 16th of January 2019 announced the share the court a statement no your kase. In June 2018, or started case against Honorable Kennedy Agyapong my Ghana. But case name ko siaga. Na sa case na ekwo so kra no. No Honorable Kennedy Agyapong grantee interview in March 2019. Na all kase ono odi MPP for ho yaw. Say MPP for omo friend na nadwo. Agba omo nya hits and nas ba be drop video. No mo catch ono Kennedy Agyapong say on defend the MPP. O defend the MPP for where? Na MPP for the omo ye ni. Ono de we jai on time before assemblium on defend MP for into when he said sign your man Honorable Kennedy Agyapong here in 2018 no say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong defending government in power now so defending government in power so onye sure say verdict na omo de buy your high court and the supreme court no na say omo ka no krebi onye sure say no omo ka no krebi because ono kra no why documentary on judges into when he say no kra no epema judges kra for an whole time na ma chese say no kra bi also omo ka because of what time na to that the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong can in 2019 it say the odi ono announce ni bia no oye ma government in power na no ka say bia Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ebema na so wa na dia ma na bedu New Jersey court no eye interview Honorable Kennedy Agyapong eye in 2021 7th of September 2021 with that different no. Na sa interview no mo ye no. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong esa so see nsem no kan ye between May 2018 to November 2018 ni so dua e was sa interview no that different ye no. And some more kan ni bi ene so no anas no e krofo ono anas no e criminal ono anas no e kum nipa what I say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong linking to Ahmed Swale ewo Honorable Kennedy Agyapong eka say ono anas they are responsible for Chinese for bi mo omewo ni ade in the end the 5 counts of defamation and a born Honorable Kennedy Agyapong based on signs semi Honorable Kennedy Agyapong can be in 2018 no bad that the Fred ni show ni so in September 2021 abano mo ka asem still e Ghana esa so chire nsem ni mo no na the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no wa share that so be good ni mo ase into almost 5 counts we embo no na sa nsɛm no Honorable Agyapong kan no a damage no to the extent say ono Anas no onya questions from the former clients, agents, business associates be and our family members be we now all over the world, including in Crawford more a West Orange. I just say war a New Jersey. Including Crawford more West Orange and New Jersey. I'm not saying same be. It's no more question on one ask. Who said Anas there 75? Who said Anas there 75? And you know what? Anas also can say because of his sema Honorable Agyapong kan na ye ntro no by the time we betumi a control asem no na asem na duachire ama che say hey atra West Orange echo Newark echo other states of New Jersey to other global communities near there na was saying the area no one is Honorable Agyapong because in 2019 or can I say and before the new money ade no sa attack no Honorable Agyapong attack you no Anas me Anas no it was just for a reward onya contract every APP are buying ho contract no translated to millions of dollars US dollars into Honorable Agyapong all say no Anas no the nya contract every APP for ho millions of US dollars ebre ono Honorable Agyapong ne site no se court ni ta asem no se court ni di asem na court ni mo no Anas no these rewards as damages. Number one, presumed damages of $5 million. Number two, special damages of $10 million. Number three, actual damages of $5 million. Number four, punitive damages of $10 million. It's only $30 million. And I'm not everything. And now, so judge never order Emra senior beya prevent Honorable Agyapong. So be bought Anas deep and also be Anas asem in the future. And any other reliefs are courts made me fit. Now, Emra Anas, I remember Anas. And this has some way Ecuador, Essex County courts, as she said, one New Jersey. No. Now, Honorable Agyapong and responded to rate of summons. No. In the end, Anas, court autonomous, file a motion for a year default judgment on Honorable Agyapong. And our court in the case, Anas, evidence in bra, say ampa, was serving Honorable Agyapong. And Anas lawyers, actual letter. And they come out court and say, almost 7 through in the mailbox to the fear West Orange, or Essex County. And you know, almost also Eddie a year rate of summons Nankasa. Echo say a Honorable Agyapong ba anins needing a year Yvonne Japan, a Honorable Agyapong fear. Dear who certificate no, a can't what say. So Honorable Agyapong must 7 and the banner G, the banner nim. What catch Honorable Agyapong, we are sure. So what catch him. Honorable Agyapong, who say Anas ebenya default judgment no, because on your present or court no, and or responding to rate of summons no, or responding to rate of summons they say, Your Honor, na me in the USA, it's in a made to me an entire appearance no. Because na case they be cause of Ghana, na say be akọ high court, you can't high court the way or me ko jina Supreme Court. Na me in USA. Into affairs ababa US. Into Your Honor, ma me kwan na me nyimi ho no. And a judge no ma Honorable Agyapong kwan ma di ni ho no. Honorable Agyapong yi ni ho no. Na they say from paragraph 1 to paragraph ahi of Anas ni statement of claim no. Any in the counts damages are all can any other no. Honorable Agyapong deny ni na. We nya time o deny ni na. And Honorable Agyapong be kan in that response say Your Honor. And someone Anas say kan nyina no. And someone etwem. Because Your Honor in 2018, and Anas say, Mekas had defamatory statements we home. What I say? In 2018, Mekas say, or no Anas near criminal, or no Anas near Crawford, or no Anas with Chinese for me will be a judge for a show with you who near there, Medina na Kafa Nas no. New Jersey Hana Anas there Semnaban. Anas saying defamation statement back who cry my idea fan home. Interview many that defraud you no. Na me stress hands same ni mu. And in some court so high courts in na me chim. I want that defraud show so. It's a if an Anas me gina New Jersey. E defame you on Anas. Ona New Jersey the crowd more statute of limitation. Statute of limitation just say period assembly be to me I existed for our be to me the court. Defamatory statements crowd no. Mo say o kan le ba ko. Na say bia afi eba untumi find court say bia oh your honor Aquarius assembly chairman in the year 2018 ain't no medine back court for assemble in the year 2018 and as your honor Aquarius assembly chairman in the year 2018 now 2021 or masa so akire assembly mo into your honor medine back court in 2022 your honor assembly can in 2018 2021 na me teach him the akoso e court and the make catch court nti ada na nas e de begina New Jersey court say statute of limitation achino your honor achino anas in some can fa kwe meaning say ubisa say guy we a lawyer me a lawyer yen go back to the case etiene anas ehu honorable Ken Agyapong ni sem waka no and anas the lawyers apply for a summary judgment now summary judgment na HSA anas in person asem no o metwe mu akọ trial ne ade na o hwe honorable Ken Agyapong the response or the aba any ono anas the case awa bi so ohu ne say judge no betumi atena asem ne so ebu asem ne simple and short na asem no mo nkoye trial bia na jury bia betena cross that be ombu asem ne simple and short but anas a file for some motion no for a summary judgment and as a summary order no and honorable Ken Agyapong lawyers and so F counter some motion ka say your honor anas motion ya wa filing nyansa bi ani chese anas no or the opinions and they say or see honorable Ken Agyapong didn't attempt and a defamatory case and na say ka say honorable Ken Agyapong e defame no e wo New Jersey mo mra no we state say obi to me fa opinions any attempt say e defamatory and some honorable Ken Agyapong kan so no o kan wo twi mu three language ne so no e ambiguous sebe so be ka say hey akọwi die me sebe ka akọwi die kwasia o hwe kwasia se bia wodi ana sebe me sebe ka hey wo ye kwasia se na wodi no and two different expressions as much as say bia betimi translating no from Chi to English actually say bia o kwasia sebe me sebe ka stupid no and not just say if it's in the same context. It's also right. Also, plaintiff's cross motion for summary judgment is inappropriate and should be denied because the claims stated in count 1, criminal and thief, are expressions of opinions and not capable of defamatory meaning. The determination of whether a language is defamatory depends on its interpretation and context. The court initially decides if the words are reasonably capable of a defamatory meaning. However, if the language is ambiguous and reasonably capable of either an innocent or defamatory meaning, as it is here, then it's a question of facts for the jury to determine how the language was understood by who heard it. By who heard it. It's your no. And they bet me at him say, Asemi amiti die, e atem die. And as Asemi amiti die, e agro. It's the honorable Ken Agyapong kan no. Any opinion. Any atemidie and okay and yes say idea sebi a year defamatory statement be a wetimi aka say it your honor dismiss anas ne summary judgment dismiss afa so no your anas interpret ensem no what I say so criminal and thief na honorable Ken Agyapong UC no e che say ono anas no e di bone na we kum nipa nya de your honor entisa no more engage in heated exchange. What I say? Or say, statement that an individual engages in or is like a criminal or highly immoral person are not defamation when made in the context of heated and opinionated feuds, such as that between plaintiff Anas and defendant Agyapong. It's honorable Ken Agyapong ni Anas no. Omo feud be a kosu omutim. And now honorable Ken Agyapong ne catch Anas or a Crawford. Or a Crawford, or a criminal. That boy is a criminal. That boy is a thief. It is a normal bizarre. What mean can say a defamatory statement? I will New Jersey for emblem. Your honor, any defamatory. It's an ass ne order for waiting. And a statute of limitation in put the honor. Makan wasem. Did that. Into a bear in Kayona. Ruling it out. Sane order for summary judgment. If you are now one thing I forgot to mention, a year honorable Ken Agyapong the lawyer ne counter to a year summary order application now. Anas lawyers file a court honor and they say honorable Ken Agyapong lawyer and they say First of all, high interview, no, it was to a key audience. It's announced, I remember announced, say, oh, honorable K Japan, some more kind or a year, West Orange, if you want to interview under the Fed, no, I caught to a community, there's some New York, New Jersey, SS County, no West Orange, honorable affected, Anasbwa because honorable K Japan interview, no, Ghana for now, interview, no. Ghana for because interview na etwi mu tie be na obi a onam USA wo obo ne brown wo ana so be ka say nipa na te na affect no anas boa into yana we no affect statute of limitation we bia because na anas you see no e dey aka say as much as say statute of limitation they can say o kan asem after 1 year na asem na egu no honorable K Japan some o kan ye in 2018 no any interview no be in 2021 no asa so introduce defamatory statement no to a new audience into statute of limitation no enwuye and honorable K Japan lawyers and this answer ne by say introduce it to new audience bia into statute of limitation ewu the same in sema oka in 2018 no and now honorable K Japan chime ne sense for bia and now oka in 2021 it na announce lawyers and so responded to answer honorable K Japan lawyers kind no na lawyers ba be kase masa audience of 1,000 people no obey the yehu say we etitwi and away say na we yesi obey the yehu obey the yehu so we repeating the same defamatory statement it said there will be new publication in 2021 so we repeating the same defamatory statement na so we new platform so a cancel old platform now no. It is a first honorable K Japan Adom FM and NASA Adom TV in 2018. Say what ban New Jersey. And when you feel West Orange, now I interview with Daddy Fred in 2021. A new statement honorable K Japan on a new platform in a new country, in a new state, in a new apartment. In the end, statute of limitation affecting. After so, honorable K Japan can say. Ena the lawyers can say an argument. Debbie, anas no on your political figure. So there is no way honorable K Japan to me ache. Say sema na or can maybe anas the kebiche or no so kebiche anas into qualify as either an opinion or insult. Debbie, there is nowhere which me to say na anas so kebiche. Say, team. Also furthermore, the defendants increase reliance on the perception of fathom political feud between parties is equal parts specious and far-fetched. Simply said, Anas is apolitical and the defendant has been moreover noticeably unable to produce any evidence of Anas returning fire in kind. For a lack of a better term, the dog just won't hunt. What's it here? Anas no on there is nowhere honorable K Japan can say or can't win and Nas, but can't win now, can't win and Nas, but can't win, you know, or cast a Nas, a criminal, and Nas, a crowd na so by Kebiche, the annual. It is answer the day, or moon to me. But judge net us I share both arguments so far as summary judgment in your concern, no CDB. If I say me court trial, it's judge, no, it deny and Nas lawyers, no, motion for summary judgment, or deny it. Or can say me a judge, you go back to the case. Into a media assembly air court trial, no, and Anas can say. Senior jury better na asem this winter no. Ebe ya ka interview no from Daddy Fred channel so in 2021. Omo kofa interview no. Na no de omo translate interview no from Twi to English. Na jury no nya interview na ometumi ate de na onabo K Japan kana se. Inti na omo kofa akobina mpa. Chese akobina mpa no or certified interpreter. E wo ye New York. E court state court on or certified interpreter. Instead of coming up at Senasano or translate my friend is saying interview no from A to Z. Time that the French chassis and Komwa chassis beginning of the conversation. Can you Japan a prime suspect? Ye pese ye bisa say I'm a swale asem no okay. Can you know what chemu? Can you Japan is a prime suspect? We would like to ask him this Ahmed Swale issue that he's talking about. What I say? Or him the omwakaina. Intend you do. Baby Anas wono nanye baby Ken Becker say a criminal like Anas, very evil guy, very evil, and he continues to do that even under MPP for assuring Now we just had been in power for 1 year. And our NAS, Echo said, say, MPP ministers up. He says somebody you have to believe. Now Mr. Kwabena Betrimu say a criminal like Anas, a very evil, very, very evil. And he continues to do that even under MPP. It's the honorable Agyapong can with Chimubiano. Omo translate here to English and the majority. And same way now, and a jury it's not say, omo cross-examine Anas, omo cross-examine honorable Agyapong. Any idea to two and no to two Anas and no, and what have you? Our court on them. It's a jury it's not say, now based on translation that Mr. Kwabena make here. From that Fred interview no ni ade no and I during this dey defamation ne dey honorable Agyapong e defame Anas Anas statute of limitation no e affect case comment no e valid audience no e valid nti Anas e wo case say honorable Agyapong e defame no enti jury no e rule e dey omo judgment ne by in favor of Anas jury ne dey omo judgment e ba no and I jury ne yes say Omo award damages of $80 million to Anas. And no, na judge no, kind of court.
Always know, and your note has been marked as 3, and it says, Judge, in our initial finding, we awarded $18 million, and a breakdown, presuming $5 million, actual $5 million, and punitive $8 million. With your verdict and your note, your jury service in this case is complete. I truly have enjoyed working with you. You've been an attentive jury. Thank you so much for your service. You are discharged.
Judge, the defendant would like to thank the jury for their service.
No. Get out of my can. Thank you so much. Everyone appreciates your service. Okay, so the court's decision, as we start at the end, the court is denying the request for a mistrial, and everyone can file motions at the appropriate time, and the court will address everything after the motions are filed appropriately and then responded appropriately. Does anyone have any questions about anything? Okay. Good luck to everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thanks to Magraheb.
Now, the judge in the kind of court on, a man for being pay attention to some and judge in the and that's why there is confusion on social media. So, judge in some already your court on, and it said, na Anas epe claims be right for a year damages no. Na Anas epe a total of $30 million, but $30 million no. Na Anas epe presumed damages of $5 million. Jury no edema Anas. Na Anas epe special damages of $10 million. Eno the jury no eyi di free mo. Eno mo ma Anas actual damages of $5 million. No mo sa so ma Anas punitive damages of $8 million instead of $10 million. Inti omo the presumed damages, actual damages, and omo ti punitive damage so $8 million. Ani nan ekoye $18 million. And omo award ye to Anas. And a judge no e dismiss a jury ni say omonko. And a judge ne can say obi any chance so be file for mistrial. That means say jury ni verdict no court no Agyapong. But the only thing na honorable Agyapong crofo no and what chance so metumi file for a motion no metumi file for within the next days at eba no. And it say on make requesting for a year Remittitur. Now, Remittitur no, and then the honorable Agyapong lawyer, a year oral motion or court, or yeah oral motion or court on, and I judge the catch almost say, or more famba into writing. It is so far as defamation here concerned, net there. Jury no, and the judgment about say, honorable Agyapong e defame Anas, Anas. But Sikano, a year damages no in question. and no and as some media contention and what damages no a judge na ma ho kwan say ansa no the final judgment beba no obi a ho kwan so be filing the motions. It's the first motion that Honorable Agyapong lawyers file on the 17th of March 2025 no enye omo ka say oral motion will make you a court no or they two in writing say $18 million now during the MI no shocking excessively shocking na a shocking judicial conscience. I just say, and when I say, try and anya fair bisa. So much with the $18 million eba. So muntia, and farmer announce Arabia announce no. Try and anya fair. No more say, and some announce lawyers ekaye, our court ho. Say what say jury no. It to me a stopping defendant no. I Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Now first so I will say jury no. And my ruling and I say judgment a best shocking the conscience of the court no. And one of my achieve by $80 million no. And one of my achieve by $80 million. Some more yes or more stopping Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Now someone is have verdict to say judge need this have verdict to a tumor. Massa a be shocking. The be injustice and yet fair. Because I say closing remarks of an lawyer and a jury no ADH. Yes, award this damages to an ass. Now, New Jersey embremuno. Omo say in the instance, say be a trial judge and determine say damages or more award no excessive and I say inadequate. Judge no bet me ma ho kwan. Say omo nkonkoye remitter no. What I say? Omo betumi set up a remitter. Say sika no omo nte so remitter nte sika no yes rent so. Omo nte sika so. Omo ma a fair compensation I be reflecting upon whatever damages are. Or suffer. Now say be a process for intiswano. So mo go through. Now say both parties ne etchom hwasia. Now no the case now is settled. Now judgment with the final judgment about our so. And yes, I had say omo go through remitter process no. Now say both parties no and etchom hwasia. And yeah, omo be trial on damages no. Till so the trial will not be mistrial. There is no room for mistrial in this particular case. The trial will be on the damages. Say in case a remitter na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong ne nkrofo na afile no anas army anas nkrofo so e counter maybe they disagree with each other and the judge no mo period dia wa me judge no e be ka say ndie omo ko a trial on the damages on the case of defamation there anas e dinkuni based on jury no a verdict omo diaba but on the damages no and assembly there enye settled. Which Honorable Kennedy Agyapong lawyers actually am a judge and say, "Oh judge, when him say $18 million see, jury the buy it was because of Anas Anas lawyer and some kind so almost stopping defendant no now almost shocking court no it's no much shocking court with $80 million and yet fair. Into my crime near sentence so into a match was a court no more crime no sentence so into one muno and no more bet judge and say judge. Anasi also was suffer several damages. Damages they be anyone po Anas need to be the evidence by say business we share no na okoha Anas no you see. Anasi we to me antre baby ba kumpo a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong gina ka say Anas ekum Chinese the way Anas Chinese the way. Anasi in some obedi na we to me after witness ba kumpo amma say ebia na ne ba and say the Jumayafo or apply for visa way and maybe a harming the reputation and that's to me for evidence back kumposiaba. And the jury no verdict somebody by said yeah what is $80 million way and affect and reflect the actual damages are Anas as suffer because damages are Anas as say what suffer no when to me provide a single evidence and so say indeed or suffer those damages. It is about award $18 million based on damages now Anas keke and the waiting. Into mama ekwai na yen go through remitter. Into some media Honorable Kennedy Agyapong case no between Anas edibim say ampa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong edifame no. So far as or no any that defraid on interview on the 7th of September in the year 2021 air concern. However, no, with respect to damages now courts no award Anas say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong into $18 million no. And when Honorable Kennedy Agyapong lawyers can say Anas and so far damages PR also man $80 million. until say anas ebetumi prove no omo file motion say court ne enti sika ne so no mutia whatever reflected the actual damages anas eso file so bi gina baby catch say mistrial no afia so ma be ka asem ni biom ene ade a ntwo asem ne de omo aka emanesi but eye sika no na same de omo be ka eno so ho asem damages no ebetu aba ne say so mo ka damages ho asem a honorable Kennedy Agyapong say the lawyers no etumi go further omo betumi at sika no so about $1 million and now say be $500,000 unless say anas etumi prove say indeed damage is not spelling out in or suffer those damages. Other than that, you should look forward to say Sikano ebeba form. I hire Gossips 24. Ubetimi achewadring or comment section. No share video about for so in So in the coming days, no, these are the kind of updates you should expect. Obitina baby catch you say and na asem no the momon kan we o maka defamation case ne we the momon kan we e yesika asem which I've explained to you. Magraheb.